We're getting you pictures from Hyderabad, where we're getting news that a speeding sports car ran over two people. Those are the pictures on your screen. One person has lost his life, another person is injured. For now, we do not know who this car belongs to. We do not know who was behind the wheels. We know that the car has been recovered by the police. This is the preliminary information that we have with us. The speeding sports car, Aneri is joining me. This accident took place in Madhapur in Hyderabad. It happened earlier today. Aneri, what do we know? Who does the car belong to? Who was, because it's a very expensive sports car. Not many can afford a car as expensive as the one that we are seeing on our screens. Who does it belong to? Who was behind the wheels? Has that person been arrested? Is it a case of hit and run? What is the information that you have with you?
Well, that's right. Now, when we have as we see the pictures, it's a Ferrari sports car which ran over the footpath. Well, the driver name is Naveen Kumar. We have just spoken to the Madhapur DCP. Vehicle has been seized and the driver who was on the wheels has been taken into the custody. Well, the owner of this car is Meghna Engineering and PP Reddy is the owner of this car. Well, the person who died on the spot is of around 40 years of age, and he's a watchman. He was walking on the footpath of that area from the driver. The car was moving from
was the person who was behind the wheels? Aneri, I'm really sorry to interrupt, but just to put this into perspective and give some more information to our viewers, was the person who was behind the wheels arrested immediately? What happened? Give us a timeline of when this accident took place. Two people, one person has been injured, one person has lost his life, and like you've been telling us, the person who lost his life is a 40-year-old. When did this happen? Was he immediately taken to the hospital? Did the police come in immediately? What more do we know?
That's right. Now, the police came in immediately as the incident took place. Yes, the person was immediately arrested. This incident took place today evening. Well, it was a Sunday evening, and the roads were empty. And as we know, it's a sports car, and it was over speeding. That is what the Madhapur DCP has said, that the speed of the car was high, and that is the reason the car lost its control and went over the footpath where this pedestrian, this watchman was walking, and he lost his life. Well, the person has been shifted to government hospital for postmortem as he died on the spot, and other person is severely injured, so he is currently undertaking treatment. But the person who was driving car, that is Naveen Kumar Gaud, who is 29 years old, has been taken into custody, and also section 304 part 2 of IPC has been registered on this person, and also section 184 of Motor Vehicles Act has been registered.
Has been able to establish if the person who was behind the wheel was in an inebriated state? You say the person is a 29-year-old, and some information that we have with us goes on to suggest that the car is by the name of Megha Engineering and Infra Limited. You've named the person who's been taken into custody. He's a 29-year-old. Was he in an inebriated state? What has the police told you so far?
Well, I have just spoken to the Madhapur DCP. What he says is that now the person who was driving, who was on the wheels, has been arrested, has been taken into custody. But further investigation only will reveal whether he was not in a proper condition or to drive that car on such a speed. But yes, overspeeding was one of the major reasons what police has told us, and also section 184 of Motor Vehicles Act has been registered. The person is in custody, and further investigation has been taken up. But yes, one person has died on the spot, and post-mortem of that person is underway.
All right, so this is the preliminary information that we've accessed. The person who was behind the wheels, a 29-year-old, has been taken into custody. Aneri is breaking down all those details for us. This incident took place this evening in Hyderabad's Madhapur area. On your screens are pictures of the supercar which caused the accident. Speeding supercar by a 29-year-old, the man who's now been taken into custody. One person has unfortunately lost his life. One person is undergoing treatment. We'll track the story closely to see what kind of action is taken. If the person who is responsible for this accident What kind of action is taken against him? This is something that we're going to track. Thank you, Aneri, for getting us all those details.